Hello everyone, how are you doing? This is MD Tech here with another quick tutorial. In today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how to resolve if you're coming across a printing error. This is a Microsoft Publisher won't save files as a PDF, and the publisher cannot save this file. So this should hopefully be a pretty straightforward process here, guys, and without further ado, let's go ahead and jump straight into it. So if you save a lot of files to PDF, I will show you guys how to set that as a default printer, which is going to be what I'd recommend is the primary workaround for this. So we're going to jump into it, and we're going to start off by opening up the Start menu. Select the setting gear icon on the left side. We hover over it, it says settings. So go ahead and left click on that. Select the devices tile. Select printers and scanners on the left side. And on the right side, scroll down to where it says let Windows manage my default printer. Uncheck that option here. And then you want to set the Microsoft Print to PDF. Just click on that and set that to default. So if it's anything other than default, you want to click on the manage button, and you want to make sure that's set to default here. So you just click on set as default, and that should hopefully be about it. So as always, thank you guys for watching this brief tutorial. Do hope that I was able to help you out, and I do look forward to catching you all in the next tutorial. Goodbye.